Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Essentials, VS Code, and the Live Server extension. Open your project folder now and create index, HTML and styles, CSS if missing. Once done, link styles, CSS in the head of index. HTML with link rel equals stylesheet href equals styles. CSS so the browser can load it. Make sure the file names match exactly and save both files. If you see unsaved dots next to tabs, press Ctrl+S or CMD+S. This immediate linking is the step that enables live testing. Open index, HTML with Live Server to serve the page locally and watch changes instantly. Once the browser opens, press F12 to inspect elements and view the styles pane so you can see which rules apply and their source file. Edit styles. CSS in VS Code, save to trigger Live Server reload. Make adjustments and observe layout or color changes immediately. If a rule doesn't apply, check selector specificity and media queries. These are common causes when expected styles don't show up. To finish, adopt a workflow. Enable emit completions, consider a preprocessor like SAS with a build task, and use CSS variables for consistency. Once your page behaves, validate responsive breakpoints by resizing the browser or using Device Toolbar in DevTools. If styles don't update, first clear the browser cache and hard reload. Caching often blocks fresh CSS. If that fails, confirm the link path, ensure Live Server is enabled, and restart VS Code. One reliable troubleshooting tip: disable extensions one at a time to find conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.